Hi friends, in last class we learned about evaporation and the explanation based on kinetic theory as the last topic. Today we are going to continue with rate of evaporation, evaporation causes cooling and application of evaporation. Rate of evaporation of liquid depends on temperature of a liquid. When the of a liquid is high, the rate of the evaporation is also high. For example, a wet cloth dries up faster on a hot day than on a cold day. Surface area of a liquid. When the area is exposed to air is more, the rate of evaporation is also more. For example, tea in the saucer cools faster than tea in a cup. Speed of wind. When the speed of the wind increases, the rate of evaporation also increases. For example, clothes dry faster under a fan. When the speed of wind increases, the particles of water vapor move away from with the wind. As the result, amount of vapor decreases in the surrounding. Humidity. The amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. When humidity increases, the rate of evaporation decreases. For example, wet clothes dry slowly on a rainy day than on a dry day. Nature of the liquid. We know that spirit, that is alcohol, evaporates faster as compared to water when we put it on our palm. It is because different liquids have different boiling points and different intermolecular force of attraction. The higher the boiling point of a liquid, the lesser will be the evaporation. Thus, the liquids having lower boiling points such as alcohol, spirit and ether gets evaporated faster than the liquids having higher boiling points. Evaporation causes cooling. When we pour some nail polish remover on our palm, it gives soothing or cooling effect. It is because when a liquid evaporates, it requires heat to change from its liquid state to the vapor state. The liquid draws the necessary heat from the surrounding from itself. Thus, the liquid loses heat and gets cooled. So, we can say that evaporation causes cooling. Let's do an activity based on this. Aim to show the evaporation causes cooling. Things needed: 2 thermometers, a piece of cotton and some alcohol. Method: take 2 thermometers A and B and tie a small piece of cotton on the bulb of thermometer A. Record the temperature of the both thermometers. The temperature shown by the both thermometers is same, say 25 degrees Celsius. Now pour a few drops of alcohol on the cotton tied thermometer A. Carefully read the temperature of the both thermometers. Observation: thermometer A begins to show fall in temperature while the thermometer B not show any change in temperature. Discussion: when alcohol poured on a cotton tied on a thermometer A evaporates, causes cooling. Conclusion: evaporation causes cooling. Application of evaporation. The water becomes cold in earthen pots during summer season. We know that lot of tiny pores are present on the surface of earthen pots. The water seeps out of those pores and slowly gets evaporated. The heat required for the evaporation is taken from the water in the earthen pots. Thus, water in the earthen pots becomes cool. Perspiration keeps our body cool. During summer or heavy exercises, our body gets hot due to the rise of temperature. So to cool off, our body perspires. The sweat evaporates by taking the heat from the body and keeps it cool. Perfumes and talc give cooling sensation on our skin. Generally, the perfume contains alcohol or spirit and talc contains mint crystals, which when these substances evaporate, they take heat from our body. Hence, we feel cool even in a hot season. Putting the strips of wet cloth during a high fever down the body temperature. Doctor advises to put strips of wet cloths on the forehead of the patient having high fever. It lowers down the body temperature and the water in the strips evaporates. It takes the heat required for the evaporation from the body of the patient. Thus, the temperature of the body decreases. So, thank you friends. Meet you tomorrow with a new topic. Bye.